So this slide, it's really old, and when I had it years ago, it already tore off right here. This is the rubber liner, I guess you call it. So that red part is actually mesh, or it doesn't hold anything. The lighter color stuff is actually rubber-ish. So it's supposed to be like a pool, per se. And you can see that it's not really a pool, it's more of a catch. But anyways, I'm gonna get some stuff and I'm gonna spray this down, seal it off, and then see how it works better. Alright, so I got the Flex Seal. This is white. I didn't want black to reflect or get too hot in here. I'm gonna get the corners. You can see, you might not see there. Let's see if I can show it. You can see those like open thread there. I'm gonna seal it. I put some blue tape behind it to give some thickness so it won't just pierce and build up there. That's where it's gonna leak most. This, as I explained before, it's actually rubberized but tore up, so then this leaks out water right here. So I'm just gonna keep this here, but kind of like put another coating on top, and then hopefully this will help rubberize it here some versus how it is. And you can see the reason why it tears, because it's pulled up here and it'll kind of stretch out. So I'm shaking well. I put some blue tape to cover these edges here and cover this, hopefully cover the stitching, the holes that are pierced through here. So I'm gonna hopefully seal it with that too and go from there. Let's see how this stuff works. I'm outside, so it's nice and ventilated. I'm shaking well, so this stuff stinks, so it's good for me to. Yeah, I think I should have pulled this part. No, it smells, dude. Go. But it's okay. So let's get. I don't care if it's on thick or thin.
Daddy, what's this?
I'm spraying. So I think I need to pull this off, because this is not going to work right here. See that? It's all flappy. So let me pull that off and then do it again. But the rest looks fine. Totally underestimated how much coverage this can will do. It's not much. So this is, I want to say 5 by 4. And you can see I didn't really get much done. But, and also it might have been a bad idea to try to cover those cracks and make a layer. Good and bad. I mean, now this part will hopefully hold some water, so it gets a little elevation, especially in the corners and stuff. It's okay to leak out some, that's fine. I'm just curious if we could get most of this semi non-porous, like this part here. That was stripped out, this piece is rubber, and also here. So we'll see how it goes. I actually have pieces of Flex Seal tape, a big wide band, so I can run strips here to kind of seal off there, kind of like a ghetto barrier, so I can do that later as well. So that could work as well. And it's black though. My son's doing something fun. Anyways, square footage wise, you definitely need more if you're trying to get more area, like those commercials you see.